Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Planner. I'm going to be putting together my September monthly calendar. And as you can see, I've already started writing in a lot of my important events for the month. But I do want to still go back and use my Planner Kate September kit and my planner. I'm super excited to use this kit. It's really beautiful with the glitter accents, and I can't wait to see it on the page. So let's get started. And then before I go further with the rest of my appointments, let me go back and put in my date dots. And I have 2 paydays to account for, the 4th and the 18th. And actually Labor Day is a day off for me. I do want to use this other box, so let's see where we should put that. Maybe I should have put that here. Yeah. Let me take the 2 off real quick. Pop that in. And that looks a little neater than my handwritten note from before. Okay. And let me put the bait back there. Now we have essentially all of my appointments in. I'm not going to really go back and try to cover up my handwritten ones just to avoid it being messier. But I do think I want to add in a couple more things. I should have used a ruler for that because I wrote over it and it didn't turn out straight, but I'm not going to stress about it. It is what it is. Oh, the other thing, let me see if I have something for Labor Day and maybe even the first day of fall. There is one more thing that's driving me a little mad. This red here. It must be left over from something that I wrote. Just looking at these cute hearts that I have. I'm going to use those to cover up that section there. I actually need to put in my washi here at the bottom. Also like to put in some washi within the spread. That is my September monthly spread. I like the way that it turned out. I did realize that probably starting next month, I need to either write in pencil or get a sticky note and just write things on that until I actually put together my calendar rather than having to work around my handwritten notes. But either way, it turned out really nice. I'm sure there'll be plenty of other things that I need to add to this throughout the month, but it looks good for now. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it provided a little inspiration. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!